Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about Gemini CLI, how to install in your laptop, and couple of options. I will show you the demo to interact, to play around it on how with the Gemini CLI, how Gemini CLI will help you to create your web application, create your infrastructure as a code, create a folder directory, all that. So let's go ahead and start and stay tuned with me to show the demo. So before going to show the demo, first let me exit here. And I'll first of all the prerequisite what all are prerequisite is required, right? So in this prerequisite is required, like you have browser, Chrome browser, you should have a Gmail account, and the Node package need to install, and it should be more than 20 plus Node.js. I mean npm Node.js npm should be installed in your local laptop. So for that, how to install your Node.js in your laptop? So I'll show you. So this is the piece of code. I'll also provide in my description box this piece of code how to install Node.js. This is for Mac, and also I'll provide you the Windows how we'll use this command to install in Windows OS, right? So let me install this. Then once install, and then you have to install the Gemini CLI, right? So Gemini CLI installation, we have two options. So the first options, without installing Gemini CLI, you can use, right? So what would be command that key without installed, you can use Gemini CLI. So this is piece of command. Let me zoom nps, and directly it will be interacting with your GitHub. But I don't want this one, right? So let me cancel it, or maybe once started, I'll back and I'll show you the options which I was talking about to install from this. Without install, I just show you with install. So with install, you'll use this command like npm install -g @ google Gemini CLI to install in your laptop. So once installed, so we can able to use Gemini CLI. So better you can use this one, or maybe it's for your convenient without install also you can use Gemini CLI, right? So installation part, I think almost I cover, and then installation is done. So how to use? So you'll just put the command Gemini and hit enter, right? Here it's like all set. Now we can interact with Gemini CLI. So I'll just ask couple of questions to create a basic web application to deploy into Compute Engine, the Python code. So how we are getting the response, we'll see. So asking to create a directory. Okay, yes, I want to create a directory. Creating an application. Yes, this application I want. This is a main.py hello world file. Yes, I want this one. Allow. I need a requirement txt file. Yes, I want. Docker file also I want. Yes. As you can see, like all are required file and steps. We providing us to deploy your simple web application, right? So similarly, let me ask some infrastructure, like how we'll create an infrastructure in all three cloud. So I just want, uh, can you create a Terraform code to provision VM in three clouds like GCP, AWS, and Azure? So we'll see the response which I'll get and whether it is helpful or not. So definitely, as for my R&D, so definitely it will help and to improve your productivity to get code and execute and steps. Get the steps as well, like how to do, what to do, all that. So just I want to create a separate directory. Yes, that is fine. Multi-cloud Terraform, cloud Terraform. Then deploying core infrastructure, like what all need. So it will create it, right? So it's creating multi-cloud main.tf file, uh, right? And, just variable.tf file created for all three cloud. as you can see, and the output.tf file also created, and then providing me the MD file to how to use and step by steps, right? If I'll check, just will put a cell mode enabled, the explanatory mark. Then you'll check like what all are folders created, and this multi-cloud Terraform folder for my provision to cloud, and one is my Flask app created, the two directory. Inside the two directory, I have a code, right? So if I'll go to multi-cloud, so if I'll exit here, just to type escape, and then you'll exit from the cell mode, and you'll use you can type your message. And if I want to view the file, so I can also, for example, um, today news, today IT news, today tech news, today tech news in txt file. So it will generate a news, and it will store into a txt file. So then txt file I can also read here, like this is today news txt file is creating, like already created, like today tech news.txt, just yes. And this is the business and finance news and others, and details like Meta has started that it is working to scammer on the WhatsApp. Samsung has expanded its one UI 8 beta program to more Galaxy device. So all are the tech news, right? So like this is all about like how to install the Gemini CLI and how I'll play around it. So if I'll exit here, right? So let me exit, and the quit command to exit, and go to use, put the Gemini command. Then it will create a Gemini CLI environment to interact with the Gemini CLI, right? So I hope that's it, and that is all about this video. I hope this video will be helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video like this technical and new trend video. And thank you. Bye bye.